there! In this video I figured I would give PC Building Simulator a shot. I have not ever opened the game, not a single time. I've never actually even owned the game until just recently. It was on sale for free. It was 100% off on the Epic Store, and I figured why not? What better time than now to give this game a shot, seeing as though you could have picked it up for $0.00. So this game, if you're not aware, allows you to build PCs virtually. If you have an itch to build computers and you just maybe don't have the time or the funds to keep doing it over and over, maybe this game will take care of that for you. And I'm going to give you my raw impressions in this video. We'll see how it goes. Stay with me. Fellas, if you're in need of proper grooming, get set up with Manscaped's Performance Package 4.0. You'll find their Lawnmower 4.0 included, which boasts a sleek, waterproof design, wireless charging, and advanced skin-safe technology for a smooth trim pretty much anywhere. And as nice compliments, you'll also get their Weed Whacker for ear and nose trimming, deodorant and toner for keeping fresh, and much more. Get 20% off plus free shipping at Manscaped with code Salazar at this link, which you can also find in the video description. So without further ado, let's get right into the game, opening it for the first time now. Here we go. Hey, I dig this music. This ain't bad at all. Quality. What are we doing on oh yeah, fantastic. That's what we're talking about. I have an RTX 30, what is this, a 3080 Ti in here. We're going with a fantastic in the 1440p resolution. Let's see how that goes. So, career, new game. Wow, I thought this was just like a sandbox, but I guess there's like a storyline to this. Interesting. Okay, so we're gonna click here because we have nothing else to click. And let's see what happens. Welcome to PC Building Simulator. To begin, go to your PC by the doorway and open the email program on the desktop. You've got mail. Whoa. Okay. So this is a WASD kind of sort of like Minecraft feeling. Interesting. We've got a box. I need to go to the PC and I need to click email. Wow, this is actually pretty cool. It's like a virtual PC in a game. It's kind of a it's like I'm in the Matrix. All right, so this guy needs his, wow, this is like the Fix or Flop series. This guy is wanting to pay $100 in labor, and he needs me to remove viruses. All right, so this is it. Let's go ahead and, how do I click? I can pick, ooh, oh, okay, okay. Whoops, I just turned my computer off. I did not mean to do that. I hope I don't need it. Okay. It was making noise. I was wondering if the fan noise was coming from the game or if it was like static or something, but I guess it's coming from the PC. That's pretty realistic. Okay, so let's figure out how to do what we need to do here. So left click to work on the PC, and then what is this? Oh, that's the power cable. Nice, and then another USB is gonna go up here. All right, cool. So insert thumb drive. Where is that? Oh, that's where it is. Okay. And yeah, we want to connect it back here. Look at the PC start spinning. All right, the only thing I'm kind of, what the heck? What a startup sound. The only thing I'm kind of disappointed by is the way these cables look. They look a bit freaking weird. But other than that, I mean, this is pretty cool. There's our virus scanner. So it's scanning for viruses. You must restart your computer for, yeah, I'll go ahead and do that. These sign out sounds, oh my gosh. So we've scanned all files. Let's go ahead and clean files, and there we go, all done. So we removed viruses. We can back out of this now, and we need a place in the delivery area. Okay, so can we turn this system off now? Yeah, okay, so shut down. Oh my, that's never gonna get old. Okay, so the system has been shut down. We need to disconnect everything. So we're gonna remove that. Remove that, take my thumb drive back, remove that, and remove that. And I don't think there's a place to actually like physically switch off the power supply. So this is good to go. Now we can grab this. Let's see, how do I, yeah, okay, yeah, that's it. Whoops. And we're gonna put it right there, I guess. Yes, collect your reward. Now you just need to collect your pay, go to your email, and hit collect. All right, give me my money. Oh crap, I gotta turn this thing back on. Where is the power button? Oh. I guess I should learn to read. It says P to switch on the PC. There we go. And now we can sign into our email so I can get that moolah. Oh my gosh, these sign-in sounds. How on earth? Okay, collect. All right, made $100. That was really friggin' easy. Okay, we've got more inquiries in the queue. Let's see, this guy says, I need some more space to back up my files. Could you install a 500 gig hard drive, please? I'll bring it around first thing. This dude wants to pay $480 in labor, $50 budget, Install more Tony Easy Store 500 gig. Am I reading this right? Is that a $280 job just to install a hard disk drive and initialize it? Heck yeah, I'll take that. So we need to buy our components. We're gonna go to shop. He needs an Easy Store 500 gig hard drive or better. You know what? You're paying a lot of money here, so I'll give you a 1 terabyte. How about that? Let's see. We don't have a 1 terabyte. Well, sorry, dude. Looks like you're sticking with that there. And let's see, view cart. We gotta time our delivery. So same days, yeah, next day. That'll be fine. And we'll just click yeah, buy now. Cool. Let's see what we got here. Broken graphics card. He needs it replaced. GTX 970, maybe one of those Shein ones. I love how these are like just some BS name. I've never heard of this. If this is real, I'm sorry, but this is not a US brand. I can drop it around first thing tomorrow morning. Cool, sounds good. I'll accept that. And I need a Shein GTX 970 gamer. So let's go ahead and order one of those. Let's see, graphics card. Wait, do I have enough money? Oh, crap. Crap, I'm gonna have her PC for an extra day or two. I forgot I don't have any money. I have $5. You know what though? It is really cool kind of being in charge of all this. You have to watch your funds. You have to kind of keep track of when things are coming in, when things are coming out. So there's logistics involved, obviously finance, and then just the general PC part knowledge. This is a lot more layered than I thought it was going to be. I legit thought this was just a sandbox PC builder, but there's actually a good story to this, and this could definitely get more intense the deeper you get into it. So I'm hooked. I really am. Oh my gosh, look at the boxes. Yeah. Let's see which one is which. So this one needs that 500 gig hard drive. So that one we can fix pretty easy. So set that there. And then which one of these? I guess it's just, yeah, it's just, okay, it's 3 boxes, but it's really just one thing. Okay, great. And let's see here. What do we have? Inventory, storage. I don't want to sell that. I need that. So let's see. Left click on this PC. Remove side panel. Wow, this is really cool. I am so impressed with this. Connect hard disk drive to the power supply. Okay, that's cool. So I don't need to order cables. That took me a second. And yeah, I think it is ready to go. And I guess we can double check to make sure that that hard disk drive is initialized. Oh, that startup sound. This thing is ready to go. So we can power it off, unplug everything, and then we're just gonna bring this back to the hallway because yeah, it's good to go. Whoops, I keep clicking the wrong button. There we go. Nice. That thing is done. I feel like this is not the right step because nothing is happening. Maybe it's oh no, it did work. Okay, you just have to keep aiming it in places until it finally goes away. There we go. And with these viruses taken care of, we can power the system back off. And I think we are good to go. Yes, so we can install the side panels. Where's that going to be? Yep, yeah, there we go. Okay, so we'll install that and tighten these down. Now I'm curious, if I like intentionally sabotage this, if I like forget to include the dust filter that I took off of the top, is that possible? And if so, what happens if I forget? Let's see, she'll probably write back saying, oh, you forgot my stuff, can you send it to me? And it's going to cost me some money. That's what I imagine will happen. So we can step away. Oh no, incomplete case. Okay, so PC status, yep, that's why. So we can put it there, but it's not going to be collected because I didn't actually finish the build. Yeah, this one here we can collect on because we already installed that. Collect, nice. So 330 total. That makes up for the cost of the hard disk drive and our $300 in labor to install a hard disk drive. Jeez. And a broken graphics card. That's one we haven't touched yet. This one, yeah. So because we haven't completed the case yet, we can't technically claim our payment for that. So let's bring this one back. I was just curious what would happen. And let's see. We can install. It's going to be down here. This. Yes. Okay, now she's ready. I'm going to bring her back over here. All right. And now we can collect payments. So it's going to be here. And give me that $100. I appreciate you. Woo! What is this? Oh, 1050 Ti from Zotac. Okay, so these are brands I'm starting to recognize now. Can I order this graphics card now? I believe I can. So we can add to cart. And let's do next day delivery since it's already kind of late anyway. It's not going to matter too much. I'll click buy now, and that will show up tomorrow. Do we have any other folks needing work? Nope, not today. So I think we can clock on out of here. Our parts have arrived, and we can bring this to the table. Let's see here. She needs the graphics card replaced. We need to install the 970. So click here. We'll remove this graphics card. How do I... Oh, I need to remove this first. Okay, wow, this is so detailed. It won't even let you remove the card until you get all these screws out of the way. Just like in real life, who would have thought? So remove that. And now we're going to install. Go to graphics card and we'll click on this one. Yes, right there. Okay, looking good. And now we just need to make sure that the system boots up again. I think we can tighten this back down. And we can connect all this stuff. Whoops, cabling. I always forget there's a separate tab for that. And with it all hooked up, let's give it a shot. Looks good. We get a picture out. What do we have here? Yes. Good old Omega Systems intro. That's what I'm talking about. Get back over here. And then I think we can claim our reward for this one. Let's see. Where is it? Right here? Yes, collect. All right, this is big money. Boom, look at that. 665 bucks now in our account. Let's see, I'm not very good with computers, but mine isn't working properly. It's been getting very hot lately and running slower and slower. I don't think I can hear the fan anymore. It lives on the floor of my dusty office. Oh, jeez. Oh, the perfect PCDC candidate. If you do have time to replace the fan, then please pick the cheapest one. I can't afford anything fancy. Her budget is 10 bucks, so yeah, we're gonna have to skimp by with this one, but she's willing to pay $260 for labor for whatever reason. That's fine. That sounds like a good deal. And then what else do we have here? Hi, I'm giving my daughter my PC and she needs lots of RAM. Apparently, she says she needs 16 gigs, and I've currently got 2 gigs and 4 RAM slots. Gotcha. Okay, she needs 16, so we need to dump. I think we can just take this stick out, and then we'll just buy, I don't know, 2 8-gig sticks and call it a day. We can accept this one. And what's this one here? Leveled up. Oh, we've unlocked some processors and things. Wow, look at all of this. These are all brand items here, too, that I recognize. Very cool to see these brands in this game. This is pretty awesome. Well, I've got to say, this has been very impressive, and I have just scratched the surface, it seems like, with this game. So, who knows what we'll find later on. I am definitely intrigued. This is something I could just see myself playing in pastime. It's probably going to annoy Lisa because I am so into it now. But I'm curious to see how much money I can make. I mean, there are actual tasks involved here. And again, I thought this was a sandbox. I didn't think there was any real purpose other than just building PCs. But you're more in like the PC repair business. You're troubleshooting, cleaning things, fixing things, again, handling logistics, ordering replacement parts. This is really cool. This is like virtual business here. You're running a company. So do I recommend this game? Absolutely, 100%. It is definitely worth it for free. Of course, you have nothing really to lose other than some time if you don't end up liking it in the end, but I really feel like you will. Even for 10 bucks, I would have bought this game. If I had known that there was actually some storyline to it, I would have definitely tried this much sooner than I did. There's also a free build mode. So again, if you're into more of the sandbox style building where you're just kind of coming up with creations on your own, that is also available in the game. But I like career mode. There's just so many layers to that. It reminds me kind of like I don't know, Sim City, where I'm like planning cities. I have a budget I have to keep track of. You can raise and lower taxes and things like that. It's multi-layered, and that just, I mean, that really makes it for me. So if you want to check out this game, and I really think you should if you have some free time, I will have it linked in the video description. I don't think it's going to be affiliate linked or anything like that. I don't think you even can in the Epic Store. If you can, I just have no idea how to do that. It's not worth it anyway. I just want to give you guys a chance to try it out if you haven't already. And maybe this video made up your mind. Maybe you saw what you saw here and you're just like, nah, I don't think I want to give that a shot. But if you liked it, I definitely think you should try, because I had a lot of fun and I've only been playing it for like 30 minutes. So plenty more hours are going to be devoted to this game. I can guarantee you that. Thank you so much for watching this far into this video. If you enjoyed this just kind of like leisurely stroll through a game I've never played before, let me know. I appreciate those comments in the comment section. Leave a like, consider subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next one. My name is Greg. Thanks for gaming with me.